Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to cook up something absolutely delicious, a hearty potato chicken curry. Let's dive right in. So for this recipe you need some potatoes, just cut that into cubes. Now in a heated pan with oil, add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, let them crackle and release their aroma. Now add some finely chopped onions and cook them until they turn golden brown for that added depth of flavor. Next add some minced garlic and grated ginger. Time to add our diced tomatoes. Cook them until they are soft and the oil starts separating from the mix. Now for the spices, we've got turmeric, coriander, red chili powder. Mix them thoroughly to create that beautiful base for our curry. Let's add our bite-sized chicken pieces and then the diced potatoes. Add required salt and mix it nicely. Here I'm adding some yogurt which will give a nice flavor for the chicken curry. Add enough water to cover the chicken and potatoes. Cover the pan and let it simmer until chicken is tender and the potatoes are cooked through. And there you have it, our tantalizing potato chicken curry is ready to be served. Garnish it with some fresh cream and also some fresh coriander leaves for that extra touch. Serve it hot with rice or naan and enjoy this flavorful meal with your loved ones. Absolutely delicious. Give this recipe a try and let us know how it turns out. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, happy cooking!